Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fix the issue the following ports are in use. This issue oftenly occur when you try to install your or upgrade your Locker. Okay, make sure you have free all these ports before you install or upgrade your Locker. So what will be the cause of this issue? Okay, first, this issue occur because the server you are using to install your Locker is not a new server. Now, a new server here is like you have used this server for another reason before, like another application, which is used the port in this this port. Okay. Secondly, that you you have installed a Locker before, but you have uninstalled it. But when you uninstall it, maybe this port is still in use. Okay. Another reason that maybe there's some another application is running on this server. Please notice that we recommend you to not use any application beside Locker in the server you plan to install your Locker. And the last reason is maybe you haven't stopped all the services before you get your Locker's upgrade. Okay, so to fix this issue is really simple. Okay, please use this command net start minus ANP and you grab the port that mentioned by the logger here is 8088. Okay, you will see in the last column it will show you the PID of the process is running on that port and slash Java. Okay, so this is the PID that you need to kill. I will kill this PID. Okay, you use the netstart command again to see. Okay, now there's nothing running on this port again. So right now I will try to reinstall my Locker. Okay. Okay. Okay, now my Locker is ready to be installed.